Welcome to Coffee Hour.
This is great, and it gives everybody a chance to know what everybody does and how they go about doing it. And communication is great when it comes to that, because some people don't know about certain things in certain buildings, and with the knowledge that people have that's been here for a long time, they can ask these people and then things go smoothly.
It's nice to get out and get to talk with our peers and relax, get to know each other, build some connections around campus.
It's just getting together, and getting together with the custodial staff even is huge.
Getting to meet a lot of people from around the world, a lot of international folks, getting to talk to them.
It's a good gathering to find out who is who and what they do.
We got to meet the president today. It's the first time I've talked to him and stuff. So yeah, it was positive. I've had a donut and my coffee, and we're just sitting there chatting. It's the first one I've been to.
I did have a coffee. Working my way to the scones. I don't know. I might have one.
Donuts were good.
Everybody should be helping one another, and that way we get through the job a lot quicker and a lot easier and safer.